To start, I used about a 1.8 hook, so a very, very small hook, so I can place it into the button, the holes. So slip knot, and then you're going to take your hook and insert it into the hole, and then grab the yarn and pull it through. And then you're going to want to pull that slip knot onto your hook as much as you can. And then you're going to yarn over and single crochet. Then you're going to, well, slip knot. Then you're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. It's a little tricky depending on your buttons. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through for a single crochet. I'm doing about 5 in total for each hole, but you can do however many you want. And I'm using thread yarn, and it's about a 10 red heart thread yarn. You can use any size button for your bracelet. It really just depends on how big you want it, and thread yarn and a very small hook is what's best for this. So I'm doing 5 single crochet into that hole. Then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to work 5 single crochet in the next hole. So insert your hook and grab that yarn and pull it through, and then work your single crochet, and then work 4 more. Now chain 2, and then you're going to work 5 more single crochet in the next hole, and just repeat that around. So each hole gets 5 single crochet in the first button. Now that you have your chain 2, you're in all of your holes have 5 single crochet, you're going to take your next button and you're going to have your yarn behind, and then insert your hook and grab that yarn. Then you're going to single crochet into that first hole there, and then you're going to repeat and work 4 more single crochet. And so just repeat that until you have a 5 in total. So work into your chain 2 and then work into the next with 5 single crochet again. Okay, now you're going to chain 2 and add another button, and I have a total of 5 buttons all together for the bracelet. You may need more, just depending. The 3 center buttons get the 2 holes filled in, and then the last button gets all of the holes filled in for this pattern. I'm going to add another button the same way after this until I get to the end. Now I'm at the end here, and I'm going to fill in all the rest of the holes in the button, so all 4. Okay, now chain 2 and go to the next button, and in the hole you're going to work your 5 single crochet again and work your way around until you get to the other side. Now you're going to fill up each hole across till the end. Once you're at the end here, you're going to slip stitch in that next stitch that you see in that end, that last button, and then single crochet around until you get to the front center part of this button, and I'm going to show you how to make the strap. Then you're going to chain about 20 or so for the strap. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in each chain across until you get to the end where you started. Single crochet into the next stitch and then single crochet again, so 3 times across, and then you're going to chain 20 or so again to create the other part of the fastener. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in each chain until you get to the bottom again. Now single crochet around until you get to the other end center. Once you're at the other end, you're going to chain 5 to create a loop for your strap. Then slip stitch into the next stitch next to it. Single crochet and go all the way around until you get to the strap again. And that will create the border. Then you're going to fasten off with a chain 1. And then you're going to weave in your ends and your bracelet is complete. Now you can take your straps and place it into that centerpiece with a loop. And that's your fastener. You can put it around your wrist and then tie it. And then your bracelet is complete. You may need more buttons maybe if your wrist is bigger, it just depends. And you can see how big those buttons are that I used. You could use smaller buttons or bigger buttons. I think those are about an inch maybe. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already.